Hi everybody, this is Urbansweetheart Teresa. All right, I'm coming at y'all today with a new wig review. This one right here, I got such a positive response with that Yanky twist wig. I ordered another one. All right, this is by Chade. It says newborn free. It's the Cutie collection wig. This one has bangs in the front. I got it in color TT1B Berg. Yeah, I ain't putting no lashes on. I tried to put a little mascara. Yeah, but I probably can't even tell. But I used this Maybelline bubble lash one. Anyway, I ain't feel like putting no lashes on, so this is why I did this. Anyway, I think I paid either $40 or $50 for this one. And the only reason I got it was because I have been wearing the heck out of the other one that I have, which is in the color T1B30, I think it was. Anyway, I wear it like once a week. I get compliments all the time. Even my son saw it and he was like, Mommy, how you gonna get that one off? And I just lifted it off my head. He's like, I just knew it looked so real, like it was coming out my scalp, even though he know I don't got no hair. But he thought I did like some big something. I was like, nope. I said, nope. All I did was plop this thing on my head, and I've been getting compliments every time I wear it out. Anyway, this is a cap. There's no lace. No lace. You got the adjustable straps. No combs in the front or the back. And I don't think you even got no, yeah, you got bendable ear tabs. All right, with that being said, I ain't got to put nothing in nothing. I ain't got to cut nothing. So if you know somebody that really don't know how to do wigs and this is their first time, get them one of these. Get them one of these. Now, somebody was asking me too how I wash. I normally get one of those little lingerie bags and get like a you know, one that will fit this, but fit it snugly so that it doesn't have that much room to move around. Either you can wash it in a bowl or a bucket with some, I use laundry detergent, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, just a little tap, or use some shampoo or something. This is synthetic. Stop it. And make sure it's like tightly fitted, turn it inside out, put it in the bag, wash it real quick, and then let it air dry. Make sure you wash it in cold water. Let it air dry, and you'll be good. If you need to, maybe you want to put some luster, something to give it luster or whatever. But if you wash it in cold water, do it. Everything I said, I don't be doing it. I don't put no type of luster, nothing on this hair, and it comes right back. It looks just brand new. That's what I do to all my wigs, all my braided wigs. All right, so let's try this one on. This is what it looks like. Okay. Yanky twist. I don't even think this one says Yanky twist on it, but that's what it is. Because when I pulled up Yanky twist searching on line, this came up. Big cap. Oh Lord. Big cap. Big, very big cap. You got a lot of hair. You getting this under here. If you want to, you could probably cut some of these if it's too much in your face. Just cut it. Can't part it, but if you pull some over, just pin it down. Pin it down and you should be fine. Wow. Does it come ear to ear? No, it comes right here. Almost. Almost ear to ear. Yeah. Yeah, you could say ear to ear. Bend those tabs. If you got some hair, put some what do you call that? Maybe some bobby pins or whatever. Put that in there to hold it down. I'm trying to see how I want it. This is nice. I can see this as a work wig. Wig going to a cookout in somebody's backyard. You ain't got to worry about getting caught with it back. Just I would pin it down. Pin it down, and you'll be good. Pin it down. So if the wind hits you, you ain't got to be totally shamed. You got to figure a way, if you don't want it in your face, figure a way to pin it to the side, put a bit bobby pin, and just catch it off to the side. But I like this. I really do. I think it's cute. I think if I was going to wear it, I would get it where some would fall in my face and just cut the ones that I don't want in my face. I don't think you need to stretch this. It's going to drop on its own. If I could do this again, I would just get a 1B or number 1. That's just me. This is bright, even though it got dark root in. I don't know. I think I would just get a basic color. They have a good amount of colors in this. Like I said, I think it was $40 or $50 for this one. It's gonna last. If you buy this, you know, I know these wigs are getting higher. You buy this, you're gonna be able to wear this at least a year. At least a year. As long as you do what I said, put it in that little laundry bag. You get that at the Dollar Tree or whatever. Walmart. This will last. All right, I'm gonna go around, let y'all see the back. Oh, definitely great summer wig. Definitely. It's nice and full. Y'all let me know y'all see any tracks. I like it. All right. What more can you say about this? Quick, easy, throw on and go. That's it. Throw on and go. That's going to be the title of this. Throw on and go. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.